welcome back to Beverly's Design Time. Today I'm back to do a really quick Dollar Tree haul. We have a brand new Dollar Tree that opened up in my neighborhood. It was formerly a Family Dollar, so I had to go in and check it out. And I was really excited about some of the things that I found. So let's just get right into it. First off, we have some of these tower block games, and I purchased 4 sets of these. Now these I really don't have a problem finding, but I'm currently working on a DIY where I'll be using these, so I need to pick up some more. So we have 4 sets of these, and I picked up some popsicle sticks that I'll be using along with these. Then I picked up 2 of these 4x6 clear photo frames, and I'll be using these along with 4 other ones that I already have in the DIY as well. Picked up this magnifying glass because sometimes I don't want to put my readers on, and it'll be a whole lot easier just to use this. So picked that up. Picked up this cute little Halloween cup for Eden. She's going to be too excited. She really loves Halloween. They had this in green also. Then they had a pumpkin and I think a ghost, but these are really cute. I love the pink top. And this is one of our oldies but goodies. So with it being a new store, I knew they probably have some. So I picked up some elephants, and I think I have 5 in all. Yeah, and 5. Don't know if I'll be using them all. I might be able to send somebody in the group a couple of these if they need them. So if you're in my Facebook group, I'll announce if I have anything extra in there. I grabbed a pack of these thank you cards, and I thought those were really cute. And it says in gold, "Bless your heart for being so nice." So yeah, these really come in handy, especially when I do my giveaways. I could send these out along with a nice little note. Oh, and this is new. So yeah, this is new. I'm really happy to see these. I've never seen these in Dollar Tree before. But this is a DIY snow globe. And I just picked up one because I want to try it out and see how good it is. But yeah, I was really happy to see this. So yeah, this is a new find for me. Picked up 2 packs of the gemstones by Jot. I've never seen these in Dollar Tree before. I don't know if you guys have. Comment below if you have. They have these in gold, blue, green, and I think pink as well, but I only grabbed a couple. I also grabbed these ornaments. I only picked up 2 packs because someone asked me about doing a wedding DIY, so I plan to use these in the DIY. Stay tuned for that as well. Picked up some more of these dehydrated strawberries. These are my favorite. Eden really loves these too, so yeah. Picked up 1 pack of these. And these are the star of the show, guys. I was really happy to see these, and I think you guys will be excited about it too, because I know you've probably seen them online and are curious about them and haven't been able to find these in the store. So with this being a new store, they have them, guys, so this is what I found. These are the glitter trimmed candle holders. This is the gold one. This is what the round one looks like. Looks like it's missing a little bit of glitter right here, so I'm going to return this one and replace it. But yeah, this is what the round one looks like in gold. Here we have the square one in gold. And the lady didn't take out time to properly wrap these. They were really busy, so I really didn't get upset about it. And this is what it looks like in silver. If you guys can't find these, all you need to do is just trim this out and just go around with some Mod Podge and glitter mixture, the way that I always use it. Just mix in some glitter with Mod Podge and just trim it out. So that's all that is. This is what the round one looks like in silver. And here's the octagon in silver. So yeah, guys, that's it. This completes my haul. I actually have a few things that I picked up the other day, so I'll probably come back and share those with you as well. I'm actually thinking about doing a tour of the store, so if you're interested in seeing that, comment below. And tell me what you guys think about these. Are you excited about these, or do you plan on trying to order them online? Are you still on the hunt for these? Let me know. So yeah, guys, this completes my haul. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe. I would truly love to have you join my YouTube family. Alright guys, that's it for now, and stay tuned for my very next DIY, which should be up within the next couple of days. See you next time.